Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and today is the day, family. I got the call from my Jamaican brother living in Canada. He has a wife in Kenya, and he want to purchase one of those luxury apartment, family. So, in this video, guys, I'm gonna take his wife to show her the apartment, and I want to take you along, family. As you can see, guys, the rain is falling. The rain is falling, and I'm not alone. I have Kenya to call my home. Yeah, family. So I'm having some porridge in the morning, and rainfall, sunshine, snowfall, storm a blow, tornado, anything, family. Work has to be done. You know, somewhere, somehow, you know what I mean, people has to come back to the Holy Land, family. So this is a calling and a warning to you. I've been watching on the sideline, you're thinking about coming to Africa, especially Kenya, family. We are here to help you get set up, stamp your foot on the ground with everything that you need to do, and you won't miss nothing where you come from, where you're known that you're from. You won't miss nothing, family. So I'm just actually waiting for Miss Jam Tours. The rain kind of stopped here now, so let me step out a little. Yeah, family. So I'm actually out. I'm waiting on Miss Jam Tours to come. Actually gonna go to the market too. While we show our Jamaican brother, his wife, we're gonna show him this luxury apartment. So you know, when if he bought one of this, when he come to Kenya, he can stay there. You can set it up as Airbnb. You can rent it out. Anything you want to do, family. And while he's away building and growing, investment can be growing. So when you're ready to relocate, now everything is intact. You don't want to come and in a rush. I have to find this, I have to find that. Everything is here waiting for you when you're ready to come, family. So that's what we're trying to do, and that's what we want to do. The experience that I experience, I want to help you not to make that experience, not to get that experience, and you have a smooth and sailing experience when relocating back to Africa, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know when you're coming. Let us know. Alright, family, so we are out. One love. Continue watching while we go. Yeah, family, so that's Miss Jam Tours coming. How are you feeling, Miss Jam Tours?
Like giving birth right now.
So Miss Jam Tours is almost due, family. Almost. Just a few weeks left to go while we have a newborn in the universe. Yeah, family, so let's go. That dog big. It's that big dog, sweetie. Big.
Dog, you want that was scaring Nani?
How much is scared?
It's too big. Okay, that car is dirty inside.
Yeah, the car is very dirty. You need to actually wash it. I'll wash it today.
Feeling so horrible.
Yeah, don't worry, you soon feel better, right?
I mean, I look like I've not even put on earrings. But who cares?
Alright, family, let's go pick up this our Kenyan sister and our Jamaican brother. I'm gonna pick up his wife now to show him this apartment. Alright, let's go. You have anything to say, sweetie?
No.
Yeah, Miss Jam Tours is not feeling well. But guys, as I said to you guys, if you're watching this video and you're coming into Kenya, the best thing you can do for yourself, family, is own an apartment. That apartment that you own actually open up the doors to a lot of stuff. You'll get access to a KRA pin. You can actually, with a KRA pin, you can actually buy stuff in Kenya. You can access government services. You can buy the car in your name and stuff. So if you're coming, I'll have to make another video explaining all of this. But if you're looking to invest in Kenya, start out with like a bed sitter, a small apartment. You own it, and then that give you actually put you into an investor tax bracket, and you'll be able to get access to a lot of stuff that if you just come as a tourist and just want to apply for these things, they won't let you in. So that is just some tricks, and that's just information that most people don't know I'm giving out, family. This is Ankeru. Continue watching the video while we go.
I think you should, because you start on the road. Let's have a phone.
Yeah, family, so we're actually on site at the moment, and this is my Jamaican brother who lives in Kenya. This is his wife. In Canada, this is his wife. My Jamaican brother who lives in Canada, this is his wife. So we just take her around, go to show her around for she to see what is happening, family. And today, guys, is an open day. So I'm here. So this is the pool. Okay. Family, this is the pool area, family. Yeah. Hey family, so we're back at it again. Start with the studio apartment. These are some of the projects video for you, Milton, so to show you. This is a studio apartment. As you can see, the size of the studio apartment. It's coming from the kitchen.
If you allow us, we can. It's okay.
It's cute, huh?
Yeah.
And you have the balcony here. Very nice balcony. Yeah, have a look at the. This is the bathroom. The bathroom.
Yes. You've seen the washroom?
It's big, huh?
Bedroom. They're gonna put the cooker right here. Yeah.
It was not for. It's a smart lock. You have to leave a key. You can put a smart lock, but this one you must use a key. A smart lock is an option.
You can put a lock box. Let's say you have Airbnb, you can put a lock box so your guests can get a key when they want. So,
Let's go to the one bedroom.
yeah. One bedroom. One bedroom.
Even the doors, yeah. Have you seen like this?
This is not what?
The one bedroom.
So this
Let
is
me
the
show you
one.
how this one looks. Using a wrong key. Now they lock like this. All of them. Naturally.
Security.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
That's how it looks.
So this is the one bedroom. Yeah, this one bedroom is very big. Look at the bathroom, so big. Bedroom.
Appliances, they don't come with them. Yeah. This one, though you can have yours.
Yeah, family. So this is it, and that is it.
The house comes next with the kitchen.
Oh, with the kitchen.
This is a kubeba zote.
Yeah, family. So now we're at the 2-bedroom. 2-bedroom. This is the kitchen area. Yeah. This is one of the bathrooms. Very huge, very big. Bedroom. This is the master bedroom. So big. This one is very huge.
The appliances to that one. To the thing that is that furnished bedroom tenant.
Yeah, family. So this is actually the another 2-bedroom. This one just has one balcony. It's not like the other one, but it's very nice. It's a bathroom. There's another room here. This is the master. This one has 2 balconies. We actually have a balcony in the room, family. It's nice design. It's very nice. Imagine if you have this as Airbnb family. Trust me, you cannot lose. There is no losing in this.
See, there is a lift. Doesn't apply direct to the sunlight, which is better.
Yeah.
So this is the small one.
Yeah, this is the small
So what have we seen? We saw a studio, we saw a big
a 1 bedroom, we saw a big 2 bedroom, a medium 2 bedroom,
Have you
and
seen
now this.
We've seen a medium one.
Yes, the one that had the appliances inside the kitchen.
Oh.
Correct. They also have a 3-bedroom if you want to see that one too. I don't.
I think that
That's too much.
Yeah, that's too much.
That's too much.
So the advantage for this one, when you come in, you that shows you don't want to move back.
Oh, this one has a.
It has a storage.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, this one has a shoe rack.
Only this type, as a this view, has this one. The other view doesn't have this.
When you don't see outside.
No, we have this view, and the other view, the other side.
Oh, yeah.
So the ones facing here
Mhm.
have this. These are this. This two houses, the small one. Yeah. The other facing that side is not have this.
Alright, so let's say I want to buy now. Will I get a chance to choose the one I want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is different. Oh,
Yeah.
these are different.
That's
That's the same.
Yeah.
Same, yeah.
Next to each other. Just the same.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the same, but yeah. Yeah, family. So you see for yourself. It's time for you now to make a decision what you really want to do. Families, and once you bought, you can fix it up what you want. Yeah, you can fix up inside what you want. Once you bought, you can fix up what you want it. Yeah. Yeah, family, so let's do it this way.
Let's put the link so that you can see it.
Yeah, so we'll check out the. I guess they're still fixing. Storage. Ah, okay,
The same
okay.
like that one. 8.2, 7.5.
8.2.
Yeah, still just lower.
Yeah, well, this one you have a nice look, outside look. Wow. This is what you wake up to, family. So let me know if you want to wake up in nature, if you want to wake up in God, then this is it, family. Link up with us and get one of these houses now.
So like if you want to book, you choose aliments. You put like 100,000 just to book it. Then if it's for cash, you go and organize cash in 30 days. If it is installments, you go and organize for the first deposit 14 days. We give you 14 days
For installments.
for installments. Then now you choose a plan on how you want to settle the balance. Either you start paying monthly or after 3 months or after 6 months.
But it should be done by
2 years.
yes.
You should complete your payment by 2 years.
Can I enter before I finish?
No, you cannot. That's the only condition.
Yeah, the only condition you can't. Yeah.
Oh, then cash.
Cash now, after you clear, then now we also finish making everything. We give you a sectional title deed. Now you have your house. Yeah.
So once you're done, do I get?
Once you are done, and
once the house is done, is that title?
yes, you get a sectional title.
So if I want to sell my
In
house
the
right
process,
now-
before we complete everything and hand over the house to you, we give you a sales agreement. Yes. After the sales agreement, we will give you the sectional title deed. Yeah. Then now you own the house.
And she can resell it if she wants.
You can resell if you want.
Okay.
Mm.
So what are these?
Here
Oh,
now
working surface.
is where the this is the
Oh.
working service. They put the marble top. So you are gas one here,
Oh, okay, that's.
and then your cooker with a bias.
Okay.
The big family or baking.
You have that big one. Now we remove this one.
Oh, it is movable.
Yeah.
No, we can ask the food to do this. As soon as I take it. this one to the other one.
Yeah, I'm even confused.
Yeah, your husband go home and talk about it now. I'm gonna.
You like the green view? Even here, you have
Yeah, this view is very nice.
I like the medium one.
medium one.
This one for 9.9 is expensive.
The medium one is also good because it has a lot of space. You can do a lot with it.
Mm-hmm.
This is a small one.
This is the smallest one.
And if
Even
you,
this one is not that small.
it's not that,
Not
yeah, it's
small.
not that small. Yeah, it's
It
just
is small among the types.
among, yeah, more, yeah. So yeah.
This is now the small one.
Yeah.
Still like it.
Yeah.
And we have also this one. I need to maybe like this one.
This is now medium small.
Still 7.5 cash.
Mm-hmm.
So still like that.
Oh, this one looks more organic. This one has things in the middle. It's confusing.
Okay. That's the kitchen. You're saying confusing you there.
Yeah.
Because they've not done the job.
Okay.
So where is the? Oh, the gas is there.
Yeah.
So between this kitchen and this one,
I guess this one is as the.
Because the one that has the middle, it doesn't have the storage on the top. This one has. Yeah. So it depends on you, which one you want.
it's confusing. The more I see, the more I'm even forgetting. What is this? Oh, no,
Common washroom.
Washroom.
Yeah.
Oh, the common one.
Yeah.
So
This can be your edge.
Yeah, but this one, the view you get here is that view,
Yeah, you get that view.
which maybe you don't like. Yeah, so yeah, family. So as I said, this is it, guys. And if you make up your mind and you decide what you really want to do, then this is it, family. You only get better than this right now that I'm showing you. You link up with us, and so you can arrange. We also can arrange like a Zoom call, so you can speak to the apartment manager if you're overseas and you're actually interested and you want to get this up and running quick and fast. And, our real estate company, Amro Real Estate Company, can actually help you to go through the process. And when you come in Kenya, you just land straight in your house, just like that. So we can assist with the procedure and everything that needs to be done for you to own one of this apartment before it's gone. 80% already sold out. So, coming February, you might not be able to get the deal that you're getting now, family. So go get it, go grab it, link us up, and we can guide you more on this. Eh?
It's big enough.
It's big enough. But it's smaller than the others.
Yeah, smaller
Yeah.
than the others. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is smaller than the others one, but it's still big enough, family, as you can see.
8.2 installments, 7.5 cash.
7.5 cash, 8.2 installment deposit. And as you know, family, going cash is always the way because you save a lot when you go cash. But if you can't go cash, you can definitely go the installment way. And in 2 to 3 years, this will be for you, family. So we're just sharing this with you guys for you to make up your mind and know what to do. So this is Jam Tours Africa via Amro Real Estate Property Management. Yeah, this one.
Nonetheless, you make a window here.
Mm-hmm.
Then you squeeze yourself waiting for you.
This is a space wasted. Why did they waste it?
This one right here.
Rooftop for this one here.
It's the bathroom. Yeah, let me. I'm fine, man. I'm fine. What are you doing?
Good.
Good.
Hello.
Yeah. Dang, do you do like a Zoom call? Zoom. Yeah.
We have to meeting.
Yeah. You do, right?
No problem. Anytime. No problem.
All right, no problem. Because I have a few clients overseas who not in Kenya.
Yes.
And they want to have like a Zoom call so they can,
Anytime.
have the breakdown. Perfect. So this is my brother from Canada. This is his wife. And he's very interested.
Yes.
And he asked me to bring her to show her and stuff. So you can explain more to her and stuff. Yeah, so she understands. She interested in is it a medium?
Small or medium to
2-bedroom.
That's a city. I respect your price. So we have the type of 2-bedroom. One type is 8.2 million. Is for 1 square meter. 8.8 million is for 110 square meter. So this one 9.9 million is 1 to 9 square meter. So this one yes, you pay 30%. If you 8 million, you pay 50%. If you 7.8 million, you pay full cash. If you 7.4, this will be the 8.4 million. And then this big one, 1 to 9 square meter, is pay 30%, 9.7, 9.5, 9 million. So the discount depends on your deposit. You pay more deposit, more discount. Biggest discount is for full cash.
Oh.
Yes. The full cash you can pay within 1 month. So you can pay some 10% now, 90% you pay at the end of the month.
I know.
Within 30 days for full cash. Yes.
Oh, for full cash. Okay.
30 days, yes.
30 days. Okay.
So this is a small one.
A small one, 1 to square meter, 1 square meter, medium one, big one, 1 to 9 square meter. So discount depends on your deposit. Yes. You can do some calculation. Also, you can pay dollar or Canada. Canada is also dollar, yes.
No, Canadian dollars.
Or Canadian dollar.
Yeah, Canadian dollars. Yeah.
Indian or
Yeah, Canadian. Yeah.
So you want to pay the discount. My boss here. So if you want to pay the discount,
Yep.
what's here is you can talk to my boss.
Okay. Yeah, man. Romesh.
Calculation so that I can share.
Yes.
Yeah. Perfect. So that's it, right? What we'll do now, you'll just get back to Henry and we'll organize. I can also organize a Zoom meeting for him to speak with. Yeah, so for him to explain more, and then we can move forward.
And also you show him the photos, explain. I think he would like to hear from you.
Yeah, we've been talking.
He trusts.
Yeah. So we've been talking, and I sent him everything, and I know that you see it for yourself. You can confirm. Yeah, that it's modern. So yeah.
Yes. C&D for 1 bedroom visitor, AB for 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. But now you see BCD, then elevators come through. But A elevator is separate. So we have to finish this one faster because of this. We make market here to D or C or B is easy to come through to any block. But A is separate. So we have to finish the last one. So A will be the March. This will be general to farm. This C&D is for the 1 bedroom visitor, this for 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. So we are in B here. A is also entrance, you see. Entrance here is A.
Perfect.
So, but also you have to finish your payment faster so you can live inside. So, I think it's the
And with March, you have more time to pay. So if you get that one, it's perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
You buy for live yourself or you want for investment?
For
Investment or personal? Is it for
you to stay, then later we can invest.
Yeah. So they want.
Most people.
Yeah.
Most people is the same money. Even though we 3 bedroom, we have sold most of them. Most people are from America. They buy here, empty here. When they have holiday, they come to here with the same value.
Yeah. That's what everybody's doing. Yeah. All right, Dong. You'll hear from me soon.
So any update let me know, okay?
Yeah, man, I have a few people lined up for the Zoom call. I'll let you know.
So, any drinks, there's a drinks, with something. Enjoy it, okay?
Hey, let me see what you have.
These are drinks and some jackfruit.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So let me get a soda, family.
Yes, soda, food I think down here. Susan, give them some drink also some
cookie?
Oh, yeah. What you have there?
also down have the fresh juice.
Oh. Where's this?
What was another?
Down there.
Oh, it's down there. Let's go down. All right, family.
Maybe we have some donuts.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, change my super chili in there. Some cookie.
Yeah, family. So take care down. We'll talk. Yes. Yeah, family. So that is it, guys. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know when you're ready to invest. We are here to help you. One love. God bless. I'm out.
So amesema ukiamua kukuja wewe ndio unabidi
How these guys help you?
Yeah, I'm the one, imagine.
Okay?
For real. And I didn't even swing it for long.
Eh?
I went like there inside, then I reversed, then I turned all the way to the corner.
Okay.
You're surprised?
Yeah.
I was wondering what we like, and then I was like, I just felt like sleepy, so I wanted to like do something.
You want to keep active.
So I decided to tap the and then when it came,
Yeah.
I wonder who has touched this.
Yeah.
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. We are out, and we are here to help you to get settled in Kenya, family. We are here. Jam Tours, Africa. We are here. Amro Real Estate Agency and Property Management. We are here to help you. So let's go. 2024 should be a blast. It's the master class. We are out.